Pwede ka din makalingkod at din na.
Let's have letter. Sunod-sunod ha. I'm sorry, Elsie. Let's have letter A. A, get the letter A. That's right. A, letter A. Get this one. A, that's letter A. You put it here, oh. Okay, put it here inside. Okay, letter A. Very good job. Let's have letter B. Yes, Joshua. Letter B. Get the letter B here, oh. I'm sorry, letter B. Put it here. That's letter B here, oh. B. Move that one. No? Letter B. Here. I'm sorry, not like that. Here, oh. Letter B inside. Very good job. Let's have now the letter C. Just remove. Here. Letter C. Get the letter C. There. You put it here. It's here, oh. Put it inside. Okay, just move that one. Letter C. Move. Some more. Some more, Josh. I'm sorry, look at your work. Not like that. Letter C. Very good job. Let's have now the letter D. Here. Joshua. Josh. Letter D. Get the letter D. Get the letter D. Here. Letter D. Here, oh. Letter D. Very good job. Put it here. Joshua, look at your work. Here, oh, look at your work. Letter D. Very good job. How about letter E? Here. E. Joshua. E is for elephant. Elephant. Here, oh. E. That's letter E. Here. Move that one. Move. Not like that, Josh. Here. Letter E. Very good job. I'm sorry. Do not remove. Let's have now the letter F. Here. F. Get this one first. F. Letter F. Here. Put it now. That's letter F. Letter F. There, oh. Very good job. Look at your work. Josh. Joshua. Josh. Here, oh. Let's have letter G. What's that? Yes, letter G. I'm sorry, stop that one. What's that? What's that, Josh? What's that, huh? Here, oh. Let's have letter G. Get the letter G. Letter G. Here, oh. Get this one. G. Okay, put it here. Put it here inside. Joshua. G. Very good job. Let's have now the letter S. I'm sorry, do not remove the letters. Here. S.